No! Today, we're gonna play with Saab, but first we gotta get started cleaning up our parts bin. If we get organized, we might be able to make room for more.
The funny thing is...
Oh, who's that?
Oh, keep waking up.
The others, I guess.
This is the mule shed. I think we're gonna find our wheels and tires out of here.
Oh, hold it, come here, bud. There's soft stuff in here. So we have 2 spare engines, and then a whole bunch of seats and interior panels. And there's some Saab radiators in the corner. And then there's lots more we'll get to here in just a minute. So what we're doing now is we're going to transfer the tires that are in the lean-to, the mounted new tires, and then the new tires that aren't mounted yet. We're just going to put them in here for now to keep them out of the weather and out of our way, basically. So we can put more parts in the Saab part thing. We got one more.
Make a great end table if it was
And then there's the last.
unusable. If you didn't know, a logging truck, well, I call it the logging truck. It's an old wagon that rolled in the forest. A logger used it to get back and forth to work. Dave cut the top off and is going to stretch it and make it 6-wheel and turn it into a truck. So we have the wheels and tires for it. Right over here. Set of Incas in there. That goes on my 99 turbo.
You want to grab a couple?
This. I got this.
Here, Liam.
This is going on a Saab.
Yes.
Well, that does it for the tires. Now we'll have room to put stuff. Or more room. I don't know. It's pretty packed. And I'm not talking about the mule shed. It's the Saab graveyard for fenders,
Yes, it is.
grills, doors, and even 2 9.5 tops.
So we got fenders, doors, body parts, and now we have a sonnet nose to add to the body parts collection. Yes.
The plan for the Saab is to get one running, find out how the engines are doing, so maybe hold blue.
So the first battle of action is pull the plugs,
Okay.
and we spray some penetrating oil in the bores, and then I already tested it before we drug it home. The motor does turn over. So we'll slap in a battery, crank it over, make sure it spins, and then go from there. And then if it has compression and spark, it'll start. So Chuck, here. This is the special American Swedish plug removing tool right here, okay? See, this is how we make real tools in America.
Is it millimeter?
No.
Is it metric?
No.
It's
So think about it. We whooped the Germans, unconditionally surrendered the Japs, and bankrupted the Soviets in inches, pound, and feet. Thank you.
I'm missing my 10, and I need it. And you're gonna need this to scoot away so you can get the fork hook.
Well, we need the 10 to get this off. No, it'll come out, Chuck.
All right.
Clearly.
All right.
Usually.
It's been done before.
Yes.
Somebody upgraded this nut. Went from a 10 to an 11.
Ooh. Or it's SAE.
They're tired of looking for their 10, so they switched to 11.
Oh, we could have just done that. Guess it wasn't attached
That's
here
nice.
after all.
I didn't realize this car had that much rust in it. She's a little bit of a rust buddy.
Well, it is from the Great Salt Lake area.
Wow, that one. That would be why.
I don't know. It's just surface rust. It's not.
No, that's more than surface rust, Dave.
That's surface rust in some parts
That was
of
surface
town.
rust on the other side of the car. It's now coming out this
You're
side.
forgetting how much rust that car had that I had to fix.
Yeah.
The floors in this car are better.
Oh yeah.
But this has spots like this.
Yeah. So there's just different kinds of rust.
Different kinds of surface rust.
That doesn't bother me because it's not structural.
Oh, yeah. Nothing like Chad's.
When the
like
motor
Chad's Sunday,
is gonna
or
fall out.
Shadow. Like that turbo
Oh yeah.
Shelby that Chad had.
When I dumped the clutch, the motor actually twisted inside the thing because it was so rusted.
Yep.
Are we clear?
Almost gotta be smarter than.
I was worried about this. This one is not good. This had a lot of rust on
All right.
the.
Well,
That
we'll
one
give it
says
a try.
30,
35.
35. Okay.
34.5.
This one had a lot of rust on the spark plug. A lot.
it's clean.
Emery. Oh, not that clean.
Yeah,
That's our
see the
problem.
corrosion. So just go get. I'll go grab a little piece of sand. Okay.
This is the bad part. That opens and closes is right there. And it's got goo right there. And if I arc it around a bit with things connected, we'll get some serious light show.
Keep going.
No.
Oh, it's just burning that gas.
Yeah, actually, just I was gonna say you don't even have to. It's burning off all the gas.
Yeah, it'll stop. That's just warming up the car for us.
Yeah. The fuel is to blame for the fire. Yes, I am to blame for the fire. It goes to show safety never takes a holiday. And generally speaking, your friends won't tell you you're screwing up until you after.
No offense to the Swedish engineers, but the cooling hose arrangement of the stock Saab system is really overcomplicated.
Yep.
It's external.
No, the external is normal. The way they routed it is not
Overcomplicated.
good.
Now we have clearance.
Okay. Perfect.
Can you get to your nuts?
Yes.
These nuts?
These nuts.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now it's
dripping
okay.
down the throat.
All right.
Contact.
Not yet. So now you need more gas? Alright,
I'm impressed.
so it works.
Disconnect.
Yeah, go ahead and disconnect. Alright, that's all we needed to do.
No proof.
It will live.
Sweet.
And you notice how it cleared up?
Yes, it did.
So it was backfiring because one of the valves wasn't seating, probably
Oh.
on. Did we ever figure out the
This
firing
one.
order?
This one.
Because remember, it's like it's one.
1, 3, 2, 4.
No, it's not like that should be 1. This should be 2. This should be 3. This should.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. Yeah. I don't know why the Swedes did it differently, but they did.
Ford. It's still a Ford motor.
But Euro Ford. Yeah, like Ford
Cool.
did it. It's German. The Germans did it differently. All right.
So-
Well, cool guys.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. What we did was we cleared up some space for Saabs and parts. We got Old Blue to fire up, and I think that was a successful day. We know the engine's got potential. It cleared itself, and now we can move on with the project. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.